We are working from 25 days for this campaign. We did around 920 LEDs across Bombay. We covered Central Line, Western Line, Harbour Line.
આટલી મહેનત કરે ને ત્યારે આ ઇવેન્ટ ગ્રાન્ડ થાય. I've come across a very unique stall at the LIBF. It is Ad Media OOH. એ લોકોએ જો લિટરલી ટ્રેન બનાવી છે. ટ્રેનનો ડબ્બો હોય આપણે બોમ્બેનો લોકલ એ બનાવ્યો છે. I'll give you a very good sneak peek from inside. તમને આખું એ જ ઇન્ટિરિયર મળશે. અને Ad Media was the outdoor media partner for LIBF. તો આખા બોમ્બેમાં જે એણે છવાવી દીધું છે LIBF, it is all because of my brother. How are you, brother? Manish bhai, what's up?
Good.
Brother, wonderful stall.
Thank you.
And उससे भी अच्छा कि आपने जो पूरे बॉम्बे में LIBF की धूम मचाई है. My friends were literally sending me photographs.
Oh, that's lovely.
कि भाई इधर भी है. So you're coming for this event, right? Yes, I'm coming for the same event. So you tell me about the entire campaign that you did and tell us something about your company.
So my company name is Ad Media OOH, and I'm so proud to be at LIBF, and I got an opportunity to do a outdoor media campaign for LIBF 2026 Expo in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I'm proud that Satish bhai given me this a great opportunity. Shresh Thakkar, who was sitting with me entire day and out for entire campaign planning, and we did around 920 LEDs across Bombay.
Wow.
We have did covered entire trains in Mumbai. We did LED hoardings in Mumbai. We covered Central Line, Western Line, Harbour Line, BKC, Bandra Wali ceiling, across Bombay हमने cover किया because only LIBF को successful event cater करना था. And
But it was visible, brother.
It
was LIBF everywhere.
We want to make it grand success. Immediate response was with Satish bhai, Manish, LIBF should be grand.
Correct.
And we did it.
Absolutely.
And we are really happy that you are on the stall. And
It was pleasure. And
please.
I'll also give you a very good sneak peek again. So the entire stall is beautifully designed, and you know the signature part મેં તમને જે બતાવ્યો, it is wonderful. So it was very nice talking with you, brother. અને આટલી મહેનત કરે ને ત્યારે આ ઇવેન્ટ ગ્રાન્ડ થાય. તમને એમ લાગે છે કે જસ્ટ ઇવેન્ટ થઈ જાય, એવું ન હોય. દિન રાતની. You guys are working since how many days?
we are working from 25 days for this campaign.
સી એટલે ત્યારે આટલા દિવસોની આટલા મહિનાની મહેનત હોય ત્યારે આ ઇવેન્ટ સક્સેસફુલ થઈને આ લેવલે પહોંચે. સો ફોલો Ad Media OOH અને you can contact them for all kind of outdoor publicity.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank
a lot,
you.
man.
Thank you.